Another murder trial continues in Norfolk for a babysitter accused in the death of an 18-month-old. Ashadia Brooks was taking care of Amir Melton when the boy was found unresponsive.
He died 2 days later at CHKD. 10 on your side's Kayla Gaskins is live outside of court with the latest on this. Kayla.
Yeah, court let out just a few moments ago and today actually concluded all of the evidence and testimony for both the prosecution and the defense. For the defense, Ashadia Brooks and her husband Gregory Brooks took to the stand today. Gregory testified he came home for lunch the day Amir was injured but had returned to work before Amir took a turn for the worse and they called 911. The couple does live on base and Gregory is in the Navy. Less than 30 minutes after he returned to work, his wife placed those frantic 911 calls for an unresponsive Amir. Next, Ashadia took the stand. When police first questioned her after the incident, she claimed nothing had happened to Amir that day and she had no idea what was wrong with him. When she was questioned again on November 1st, she again told police no sort of incident happened at her house to cause Amir's injuries. That same day, police took her into custody and charged her with second-degree murder. Then an hour later, she was asked to talk to the detective again, and this time she said she had memory issues and had just remembered a fall Amir had while fighting over a toy basketball with her 18-month-old son. On the stand today, Ashadia admitted she didn't initially tell anyone about the fall because she was worried her toddler son would be held responsible since he was the aggressor. She also said she didn't think the fall was that big of a deal because there was no blood. When Amir's mom asked her over text messages if he had fallen, that was while Amir was at the hospital, Ashadia replied no. The prosecution then poked holes in her story, noting the injuries to Amir didn't match her story, according to medical professionals, and the fact that her story has changed numerous times. Now, throughout her testimony, Brooks also made claims that there was something mentally or physically wrong with Amir while he was in her care. He was declining, according to her. Then the Commonwealth's attorney took Amir's mom to the stand, and she said that her son was completely healthy and that there was nothing wrong with him. Again, today did conclude testimony and evidence presented on both the defense and the prosecution. So now we wait for the jury to make their deliberations tomorrow and find out the outcome of this case. Live in Norfolk, I'm Kayla Gaskins, 10 on your side.